Hey Rebecca, Matt Parent. Hey, I just got off a chat with Shopify. Went through the process with them of how we would normally update Google for the feed, which is important because we want to make sure your products are listed on Google Shopping, which is part of, if anyone searches for some sort of artwork or anything, you want to be able to be seen within the search criteria that they put in. So on Google search, you'll see that at the very top most of the time underneath the shopping tab. So with that being said, you I would have normally set it up with the Excel document or the CSV file that I exported out of the system. And I was having problems with it updating. So I went on to chat to explain to them the problems that I'm having, and they would let me know that that tool, the import export CSV, no longer works. And so we have to actually do this manually, which is ridiculous, but unfortunately that was what they told me. They should have sent you a transcription of the chat that I had with them so you can read over that if you want. So with that being said, we unfortunately have to go through all 250 of your products and make this change in order for it to be viewable. So, for example, you just go into Google down below, as you can see right here, and you can go to click on 250 products that are not approved yet. Your account was suspended because we changed it from your domain name, so I just deleted the existing one out and added a new one. And now we can go into any of these. A couple of these I already went through, but so let me get to like another page where there's one that has not been changed. So what you do is you go into this, and then click on the Google portion right here and view product. This is all the Google channel data. So what I was able to bring in, and some of it still worked, some of it did not. I was able to bring in this product as custom. The second thing that I was able to bring in was condition as new, but age and gender did not come through. What you'll want to do is just make it an age, adult, unisex, gender, and you want to set it up as a category as well, so that it can be searched. I went through the whole list of all of the products, and you can see here. Let me go here. You can see these are all the categories that Google has. I went through that, and I found that the most important one for you would be to be underneath number 9, which is artwork. So if you click on 9 here and you hit save, you'll see it come up. And home and garden decor artwork. So I went through most of it. That was the one that I found that was the most important. So once you do that, there really isn't anything else in here that you need to add in. You could add the size for that specific product, but I don't think people are going to be searching by that. Color and material, if you want to take the time to do that, you can. It's not needed necessarily, because you have a custom product. G10 and barcode, all that good stuff, that's pretty much ruled out at that point. So let me know if you're going to take the time to do this. It's really necessary in order to get your stuff out on Google. There are possibly some other import-export tools that we can use, but I don't think they work with Google, unfortunately. In the chat, he gave me a couple examples. Unfortunately, I went in there and I did not find where he was talking about and how they would work. So this is really the only way of doing it. So I'm going to go ahead and post this to YouTube, send it off to you, and let me know if you have any questions and what we want to do moving forward.